guys, Driveway Mods here, and I'm going to teach my sister how to drive 5-speed today. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so to turn it on, you hold the far left, yeah, push the brake in, so hold the brake in, and then you hold the clutch in, which is the far left pedal there.
Yep.
Okay, you gotta hold those in, and then you can turn the key over. Okay, now make sure it's in neutral before you let off that clutch.
Okay,
So you want it in neutral at all times when you.
I can let off my brake.
Like if you want to let it off just to sit here, you want to put it in neutral, just like how it is right now. But you want to hold the brake too, because I don't have the e-brake. It's literally cut right now. So, you put the clutch in, hold your brake, and then put it into first gear, which is all the way to the left and forward. There you go. And then okay, so then you can take your foot off the gas and
off my brake?
As you slowly pull out the clutch as you're pushing in on the gas to go forward. Yep. That's all you gotta do. You gotta get more gas. Okay, careful. All right, stop.
What is this person doing?
Put clutch in. You're gonna kill it. I don't know what this guy is doing. You might have to go around.
Parking.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I don't want to do it in front of him.
Make sure. Yeah. Just be careful. Don't turn it too much. You just want to go around him, but you want to push in more gas. You want to give it a little bit more gas so it doesn't do that, because it was.
So more gas as I'm letting go.
Yeah, you slowly let go of the clutch, but you're gonna put gas in it, but not too much. You don't want to just dump it. Get more gas. Oh, you killed it. You gotta get more gas. More gas.
Okay.
So, yeah, clutch in, brake, start. Okay, first gear.
Okay.
Gas. You've got more gas. You're pulling out on the clutch way too slow.
Okay.
Way too slow.
Is it bad to kill it?
It's all right. I'm getting a new transmission and clutch in a week, anyways. You got it. More gas. There you go. Right there. Too much. Okay, let go. Put the clutch in, and then you push it in second, and it's.
How do you?
There. That's second. Yeah. Now, when you're at a stop, you always want to start in first. So you're gonna want to put it in first. I don't know which way you're gonna want to go.
Which way do you want me to go?
Go left, so we're not killing anyone in town.
Okay.
All right.
Now do I have to put it in first again?
Yep. You keep it in first when you're at a complete stop.
Okay, but
until you're professional, you can start in other gears. But yeah. But you want to put more gas, like you really want to put more gas.
More gas?
You slowly let off the clutch, but you put while you're dumping gas. Make sure you, so let's try it again. So you gotta watch, just give it gas and put it up to 2,000 RPMs and slowly let out the clutch. So you gotta, yeah. And then second gear, clutch. Let go of the gear, don't. Oh no. Okay, we're gonna go right.
I can't move.
Unless you want to go straight through the cemetery. Oh
No.
God, there's a school bus. Don't kill the kids.
Do we have to go right because I don't want to follow the kids?
Do you want to go straight? Let's go straight through the cemetery, okay?
No, I don't want to run over cemetery.
You're not gonna run over anyone in the cemetery. I just feel safer when we're not on a real road yet, because you're still a little.
How come? Okay.
So,
oh God, there's a person behind me.
Okay.
Fuck you, dude.
Go. More gas. Turn it on. Put it in first. Gas, maybe. There you go. Slow.
It's like
Oh God. You're just okay. Second gear. Put clutch in. You gotta pull. Don't. Yeah. Okay. When you're going, you don't have to rev it up when you're putting it in the second gear.
Okay. I don't like being in exact. I'm gonna hit all of these.
When you're okay, so when you take it out of gear, you push the clutch in. When you have the clutch fully pushed in, then you can put it into another gear, and then you every time you put it into gear, you have to slowly let out. Okay. But you have to make sure you're giving it enough gas to be able to go.
Are we even able?
You can go right, so then we can stay in the cemetery, because I feel like just so you can get a feel of it a little bit more.
Okay.
And then we'll go left out this way. I'm gonna go out that way. Because I just want you to get a little bit more of a feel, so you're not gonna kill anyone, and then we can get that bus to move up a little bit more and out of our way. So this is a little terrifying.
Shut up.
But new experience, I guess. Just gotta learn someday, right? Alright.
Last time I learned, it was not a good idea.
Yeah, the last time you learned you went in the ditch because you learned on a gravel road. So left, we'll go left here, and if anyone gets behind us, we'll
I
just
can't
we'll
see if
just
there's
pull over.
anybody over there.
Just yeah, you're good. You're getting a little bit better at it. You're getting a little better. No, you don't have to. So when you go into second gear, you don't have to push on the gas as much.
Okay.
It's only when you're first starting out you have to really put gas on it. So put it into third now. So push up. There, you're in third. Good job.
Woo, I did that one good.
And now you can stay in third until you get to about 50, 40, in between 40 and 50.
Wait,
And
we're
then you
gonna
can
go fast?
and then you can put it into fourth. Yeah, I'm just teaching you fundamentals real quick, so then you can kind of get the gist of.
I don't think it's a safe idea to go fast.
Well, you're gonna want to put it into fourth gear now. So put the clutch in and straight down. Right there. Yep, fourth gear. Good job. See, you're getting it. You're getting it. And we'll just find a spot up here to turn around, and we'll just make our way back. If you want to keep trying.
I want to be able to get it.
Because you're not doing too bad. You want to try putting into fifth gear?
Sure.
Clutch in, and then when you push it up, put it in neutral. Put it in neutral like that, and then all the way to the right, and then up to the corner right there. Now you're in fifth. There. And you usually want to do that when you're around 60 or above. But honestly, you're not doing too bad. It's pretty good for second try, but it's been like a couple years since your first try.
Yeah. First try wasn't the greatest though. That ended badly.
Yeah. And there's not a lot of traffic on this road out here. You can see. Yeah, beautiful storm weather. I love it when it storms over here. It doesn't storm much over here. I don't know if you want to keep going up here. I know there's a turn up here where we can it's just a loop and it comes right back out on the road.
Does it go on country road?
No, it's literally a parking lot that you can turn around in. Like,
Okay, do I have to do anything to slow down?
not yet, I'll let you know. So, we're doing pretty good so far. I mean, you're in fifth gear. You got it up to 60 without. I mean, you killed it a few times. Killed the clutch a few times. So, other than that, pretty good. Pretty good for a beginner. I know with my first car that I got, my first 5-speed that I got, I had to basically learn right there and then what 5-speed was to get it home. Like, remember my first Nissan that I got from Mom and Quentin? And that was a 5-speed, and that thing had so many problems. But yeah, I had to learn how to drive that. Like, I had to teach myself 5-speed real quick to be able to get that home. That was bullshit. You just keep going forward. Or there's a turnaround spot up here at the Niagara Cave. So we'll just go up there. Alright guys, so that was me teaching my sister how to drive 5-speed in the 96 Dodge Neon Skunk. If you like what you saw, leave a like, comment below, or subscribe for more if you want to see more. Got a lot of crazy adventures ahead and a lot of plans, so stay tuned. Driveway Mods. Thanks guys.